Good morning, students. I welcome 8th grade students once again in online class. We gather together in online section. In last class, you learn minerals and power resource chapter. Especially, you have learned introduction of minerals, meaning of minerals, characteristics of minerals, and type of minerals, and extraction of minerals. Let you learn today also about distribution of minerals. What you are going to learn today? Distribution of minerals. Okay, students. Here you may observe distribution of minerals shows how much minerals deposits are present in a certain area. In especially we may observe minerals deposits we may find in the world different places. Especially we observe in specific areas or certain areas this minerals deposited we may find. Right, students? Here you may learn metallic minerals are generally found in metamorphic rocks. Where we will find these metallic minerals? Yes, we may find in especially in metamorphic rock. Already you learned three different type of the rocks, na? Metamorphic rock, sedimentary rocks, and igneous rocks. Yes, metallic minerals only available especially in metamorphic rock, but sedimentary rocks contains non-metallic minerals like limestone, fuels, for example, oil, oats, petroleum. Okay, like that things which are there, it will available in sedimentary rocks. Next, minerals fuels are also found in sedimentary rock. So, region having sedimentary rock may have more fuel deposit. Especially you may see here minerals fuels are also found in sedimentary rocks. So, region having sedimentary rocks may have more fuel deposits. Okay, students. Students, the whole distribution of minerals is highly uneven. This is due to climatic and to in entirely various parts we may observe. These different minerals distributed and deposits we observed to climatic and topographic variations, and also because rocks and geographical formation differ from region to region. From one region to another region we may find different minerals we may find. If one type of minerals is available and another place maybe is another minerals may available, and even from one area to another area we may observe different metal or non-metal minerals we may find. Okay, students, minerals are widely distributed in the following continents. You may see. In the following continents you may observe, especially now see in Asia continent. In China, India and Indonesia are the world's leading tin producers of this continent. Not only China, India and Indonesia, even in Malaysia also we may find. In fact, half of the world tin is produced in Asia. The production of lead, anything you may observe, and tungsten is the highest in China. A large iron ore deposits are found in India and China. Asia also produced manganese, nickel, copper, and you may observe specifically in China iron, tin, antimony, and tungsten. In India, we may observe iron, manganese, zinc, and many other minerals we may find, especially in Indonesia and Malaysia. Yes, in Indonesia and Malaysia, you may observe tin as well as you may observe in China also. Half of the percent tin in the world in these places only production you may observe, student. The continent produced more than half of the world's tin here only. Students, in China, India, Indonesia and Malaysia and other parts of other countries also we may find different minerals, especially in India also many minerals are available. Next, you may see in another continent different minerals, especially now you are seeing in Europe. In Europe, rich deposits of iron ores are there, especially in Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. Make Europe the leading producer of iron ore in the world. In Europe, many iron ores production minings are you may observe, student. Other minerals found in the Europe also, for example, copper, zinc, manganese, nickel, and lead. Now you are observing in this slide iron ore deposit, especially where you are observing Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. And mineral deposits of copper and lead, where you are observing especially you are observing other parts of the Europe only. In Europe, you may find copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and Russia also, students. Like this different type of the minerals you may observe in even Europe also. Already in previous you have seen in Asia which mineral is more producing tin. Half of the production is coming from the Asia, as well as here in Europe also iron deposits are there more. Okay, that's why in Europe you may find more iron ores. Okay, students. Next, North America. In North America continent, you may observe in this region minerals also you may find, students. The region of North America, different mineral deposits are located in three different zones. Especially in North America, in different three zones you may find different minerals, especially first zone, okay, Canadian Shield, and second Appalachian region, and third you may find Western Cordilleras side you may find, student. Okay, see, listen here carefully. The Canadian Shield and the Appalachian Shield are we can call the Rocky Mountain region. In these three places of west and western part, you may observe minerals extracted from this region are iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, copper, lead, coal, and zinc. The Great Lakes region is known for its rich iron ore deposits. You may observe, student. What you are observing in North America, especially in three zones, you may observe western part only in these three zones, in Canada and Appalachian and western Cordilleras, or it is known as we can call Rocky Mountain side. You may observe, student, especially in Canada region. You may get specifically minerals, iron ores and nickel, gold, uranium and coppers. But Apollo region also you may find only coal mines especially. But western part of Rocky Mountain region, copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver you may find. In next continent, South America. In South America, Brazil is one of the world largest producer of iron ore and tin. Especially here, you may find Chile and Peru lead in the production of copper. In Brazil, which one you are finding, student? Yes, iron ores. But Chile and Peru, you are observing here copper. Not only these minerals, student, other minerals found in this continent. For example, chromine, manganese, diamond, asbestos, gold, silver, platinum, zinc, bauxite, and mineral oils. The minerals in South America have not been fully exploited on account of inhabited. You may observe here in different places different type of the minerals you may find in South America. For example, already you are observing in Brazil especially which minerals you are observing? Iron ores. And Peru and Chile which one you are observing? Copper. And especially you may observe in South America in continent gold, silver, diamond, zinc, mica, chromine and other oil minerals also you are observing. For example, Venezuela, Chile, Peru and Colombia places you may find, student. And next continent, Africa. You may observe in Africa rich minerals you may find. For example, diamond, gold and platinum. Not only that, student, listen carefully. It is the largest producer of gold and diamonds in the world. South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire land in the producer of world largest producer places you may observe. And they are producing copper, iron ore, chromine and uranium also. And mineral oil or petroleum is found in Nigeria, Angola and Libya. But most of Africa is unexplored due to the inhospitable terrain. So that's why even Africa you may observe very rich minerals, very valuable, very costly minerals are available that are diamond, gold and platinum. These all are very valuable minerals. That's why Africa also the largest producer of gold, diamond and platinum in the world. Very good, student. Right, students. Still, you have learned in the world, in Asia, Europe, North America, South America, and Africa. In these five continents, what are the minerals are there? Where that all are there? We have learned. And remaining Australia and Antarctica. Now let we see, students. Yes, Australia is the smallest continent in the world, but here you may observe largest producer of bauxite you may find in the world. Australia is one of the largest producer of bauxite. The one of the aluminium in the world also, student. In Australia, you may find bauxites and aluminium. These two are produced by Australians. Why? Because in Australia land, this minerals are more there. Not only that, it is the leading producer of gold, diamond, tin, nickel, and iron ore. While copper, lead, manganese, and zinc are also found in rich quantities. Calgary and Coolgardie are areas where large gold deposits are found in Australia. Right, students, where you are finding this all things, Calgary and Coolgardie. In these places you are observing, especially gold deposits are there more, students. Okay, which minerals you may observe? Yes, bauxite and aluminium. Very good. Okay, largest producer in Australia, you may observe bauxites minerals are there more, and leading producer, okay, also in gold. So Australia is okay, more producing mineral is bauxite, in leading also producing gold, diamonds, and iron ores also you may find. Not only the iron, even you may find tin and nickel also. Okay, what you are observing, especially bauxite, gold, diamond, iron ore, tin, nickel. These minerals also you may find in Australia. Among these, okay, Australia is the largest producer of bauxite and aluminium. But in processing, leading producers are gold, diamond, iron ores, tin, nickel also you may find. Next, in Antarctica. Antarctica is believed that Antarctica has a large deposit of gold, silver, iron ore, coal, and oil. This continent has neither been explored nor any such exploration been allowed under the Antarctica Treaty, which prohibits exploration of any mineral deposit. Okay, but some minerals prohibited here, but even though many minerals are available even in Antarctica continent. Okay, students. Still now you have learned in different continents different minerals. In Asia, especially you find in India, China, Malaysia, and Indonesia, and in Europe you find Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. In North America, you have seen in three places: Canada, and Rocky Mountains, and Apollo also. And South America also you have seen Brazil, Chile, Peru, and other places like Bolivia, Venezuela, Argentina and Colombia. In Africa also you have seen South Africa, okay, Zimbabwe, okay, Zaire, Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Even you have seen in Australia and Antarctica places. In these places different minerals you have seen. I am keeping one small video which minerals are there in our India. In India also different minerals are there. How that minerals are useful to human being. Now you are getting full explanation in small video. And listen students properly.
Are mineral resources of India. Mineral resources are natural resources. They are not made by man. They are found in rocks. Some examples of minerals are coal, iron, gold, silver, etc. Minerals can be metallic or non-metallic. Some metallic minerals are iron, copper, aluminium, gold and silver. Some examples of non-metallic minerals are coal, petroleum, salt, limestone and mica. Metallic minerals. Rocks contain minerals. Minerals from which metals can be extracted are called ores. India has vast reserves of good quality iron ore. The place from where a mineral is taken out is called a mine. Iron is one of the most important metals. It is hard and durable. It is used for making tools, utensils, bridges, railway coaches and engines. Most of the iron mines are in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Goa. There are big factories in Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Bhilai, Rourkela and Bokaro where iron and steel are made from iron ore. Copper is used in electrical wires. It is also used to make utensils. Copper ore is found in Jharkhand and Rajasthan. Aluminium is used to make aeroplanes. It is also used to make electric wires and utensils. Gold is a very valuable metal. It is found in Kolar in Karnataka. Non-metallic minerals. Mica is found in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. Coal is found deep inside the earth. It is dark brown or black in color. It is used mainly as a fuel for running factories and trains. It is also used for cooking and generating electricity. The main coal mining areas are in Jharkhand, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. Coal mines at Jharia, Raniganj, Dhanbad, Bokaro and Korba are very important to the country as most of our coal comes.
And you may observe uses of minerals. In last video you have seen minerals in India. Okay, how these all are useful to human beings. Okay, listen students carefully. Minerals are used in many industries. Okay, for the construction of the industries need what? Yes, cement, different rocks and need iron and for giving some different works etc. Metals also useful. Minerals which are used for gems are usually as hard. You may observe many minerals gems also you may observe. And copper is another metal used in everything from coin to pipes. Okay, copper also useful for the making to different pipes etc. You may Absurd. And silicon used in the computer industry is obtained from the quartz. Okay, silicon also most useful for computers and as well as for other yeah, okay, uh, electrical things. And aluminum obtained from its ore bauxite used in is automobiles, okay, aeroplanes. Aluminum is very costable, that's why using for the automobiles and aeroplanes. Okay, very good students. You learn now uses of minerals and how to conserve minerals. Now listen carefully. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are non-renewable resource. Why? Because it is naturally happen. If you use once again, it will not replaced. For replacing, it will take many years. Okay, it takes thousand of years for the formation and concentration of mineral. For example, you use petrol, it will be completed. So petroleum is reducing in the land. That's why it will replace. It will take many years. You may find students. That's why we must have to use how much need or that much only we have to use in our day by day life. And you observe the rate of the formation is much smaller than the rate at which the woman consumes these minerals. It is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycle of the metals is another way in which the minerals resource can be conserved. That's why you observe for the conservation of the minerals. One is reuse and second reduce and recycle. Reuse means again we have to use. We should not throw outside after using once. And reduce, how much we need that much only we have to use. We should not waste. That's why we have to reduce. Yes students, next recycle means after the using any things we should not throw. We have to okay again make another thing through that. That is we can use recycle. Now you learn for conservation of minerals: reuse, reduce and recycle. Okay, good students, I hope today you have learned distribution of minerals in the world and distribution of minerals in India, uses of minerals and conservation of minerals. Okay, we will see in next class remaining portion. Now do homework.